Hey guys, welcome to MyKitchen XB YouTube channel. And what I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you how to make this easy healthy salad, using one sort of a herb. It's called Alternanthera Sessile. In Sinhalese we call it Mukunuwenna. Very famous in especially the countries like in Sri Lanka, and then has many health benefits, right? Many health benefits. Let me show you what it is. It's just right here with me. There you go. This is how it is. Look, great. Let's have a look what kind of ingredients we need to get this ready. Alright, here we go. Here we have turmeric, and then I have this chopped onions, and then this one, yellow capsicum. They're deadly. I have to wear a glove before I handle that. And then the fresh green chili, and then curry leaves, right? And then some lemon, for later. And then of course I need to add salt, but that at the end. Lemon and salt, we will add it at the end. Okay. If you want, you can add the salt from the beginning, or you can add the salt at the end. Now, one more thing I want to show you is if you have planned to grow something like plants like chili or the Alternanthera Sessile, you can do something like that. See, it's just a bottle of water, the water bottles, right? So I just knocked the head off and then made little holes, and then filled with soil, and then it grows from all the sides, right? And there's a bottle here, right? Small water bottle. So I'm gonna, every day I'm pouring water in this, so it just kinds of stays there, and it just distributes the water gradually. So it's nice. Just a little idea for you for chili or any other vegetables. If you think that it's fits there, you can get that done. Alright, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna work with these chilies. I have to wear a pair of gloves, and then chop it nicely, and then I'll come back to you. Right, we're back now. So I just managed to chop it nicely without any trouble. And the people who have not watched my previous videos, please, when you cut yellow capsicums, we call it yellow capsicum. When you cut yellow capsicums, and be careful, always make sure you wear a glove. If you wear a pair of gloves, no problem, you can cut and then get these out for people who like spicy, and then you can have this as well. I mean, I had some bad experience, so I wouldn't mind that going away from my salad as well. Right, now what I'm going to do is, this is not waste, right? You can use it, I can maybe I'll just find a space in the garden, so it will go quickly. Okay, now we are here. So I bought this before yesterday and washed, and it was in the fridge. I'm taking it out today for cooking. right? So I'm gonna wash it again, and now after I washed it, just get the waste out first, and then dry it, and then chop it, right? Okay, let's get that done first. It's done and done and done, right? Yeah, so this is the only best part I can use for my little fried salad, and then these are all trash. Okay, so you have to pick. It's gonna take a little time. So you have to pick individually, one by one. So then you only try and take only the good ones, and then the bad ones you discard, right? Great. The next thing what I'm gonna do is, now we need to dry this. So I'm gonna give it another wash. Yeah. Since I said, as you know, there are lots of chemicals, so I'm gonna give another wash. And if you have a towel, piece of towel, or a piece of cloth, you can just wrap this with, so it dries very quickly. Yeah. And then think about this salad is, normally people, these ingredients, people use these ingredients and eat this raw, and no problem. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to fry this, right? I'm going to fry this. So the style is different. Cooking style is a bit different. Yeah. All right. Let's move to the next step. Oh, there we go. So this is done. Now what we're going to do is, I have the mortar and pestle here, and then what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to add all these ingredients except lime, lemon, and then the green chili. Everything else goes in here, and I'm going to muddle a little bit, and then later I'm going to mix with Mukunuwenna, right? We need to add one more ingredient, and that is crepe coconut. So we need some crepe coconut as well, right? Okay, let's start. Okay, so in this mixture is everything in it except the green chili and the lemon. I also added a little bit of salt, and you can also add salt later as well, but I add a little bit of salt. Yeah, now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna mix with Mukunuwanna. It's nice, isn't it? Okay, when you muddling this, you can't put all the ingredients at once. You need to put one by one. So you have to muddle one by one, and then you at the end you have a nice sort of looks like a paste. If you have a grinder at home, it's much easier. You just grind it. I like it old-fashioned way. Nice. The next thing what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna mix this. It stays green, isn't it? It's nice, yellowish. Okay. Now I just need to open the fire and then fry this just a little bit. So let's get to it in a while. Yeah, maybe. So it's nice, really nice. But you know, the you won't be able to keep this for a long time. Just maximum, I think. Eat it fresh as possible, because there's fresh coconut in it. So yeah. Let me reduce the fire a little bit. Oh, smell. Ooh, really nice. Yeah, it's almost getting there. I don't want this to stick to the pan, so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I just want it to dry a little bit, just a little bit dry. You know. Perfect. So now it's ready. I'm gonna turn off the fire. And then leave it as it is. So it's done, it's ready to eat. You won't be able to eat it without anything. It's the best if you could eat with some rice. Yeah, ideally with some rice. So, what do you think? The preparation a bit hard, you know. It's just the process is a bit long, but you know, it's worth it. Really, it's really healthy, and yeah. So thank you for watching. Thank you for working with me in the kitchen, and like, share with your friends. Yeah, try it. Subscribe. You don't have to do that, but it always would be nice if you do. Yeah, so let's meet up again. Until then, God bless you all. Bye bye.